Welcome to the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this course, you will learn all you need to know to start using LusoCAD to draft your projects, from beginner to more advanced levels. To start, let's get used to the LusoCAD interface. This is the layout you'll be presented with once you install and set up LusoCAD for the first time. In basic terms, we have three main elements: the File and Ribbons section, the Model View, and the Command line. If we click on the LusoCAD icon at the top, we will be presented with the usual file options which let us save, open and print our files, among other functions. Just below it, we have the ribbon system, which is where most of the tools and functionalities of LusoCAD are located. These are divided by categories, including Home, Insert, Annotation, 3D, Surface, Mesh, Layout, View, Manage, Export, BIM, Help, and Express. It's important to know that while we can do most of the work navigating the ribbon system and using the icons there located, it is very encouraged for you to learn the shortcuts and commands to quickly access these features, as this saves a lot of time and hassle while drawing. To write a command, we can use either the command line at the bottom of the screen or directly typing it on the model view, which is the big central section of LusoCAD, which displays our working drawing. For example, let's access LusoCAD's options, which is easiest done by writing the command OP. We input OP while on the model view. And here we can see that we access the options window. Here we can set up our LusoCAD preferences. The sections are File, Display, Open and Save, Plot and Publish, User Preferences, Draw, Selection Set, and Profiles. Down here, just above the command line, we have some default layouts from which we can choose from. These are useful for projects that need different sizes and scales. Now, back to the model view. As you can see, our pointer will display certain information while it's being used on the model view. For example, while making a selection, it will display its size. This information is called dynamic input, which can be enabled and disabled in the model view settings down below. Let's disable it so we can see the difference. Now our pointer will not display any information. Let's say we want to start drawing then. The first and most important command you should learn is line, which is activated by writing L. Let's do it in the command line just so you can see how to do it. Now that we have activated the line command, we can start left-clicking on the model view to set the origin and endpoint, effectively drawing a straight line between 2 points. We will explain everything about drawing along the course, so keep watching to learn everything about LusoCAD.